All right, today we're trying Canada Dry Fruit Splash. What kind of fruit is being splashed in here? It's kind of a weird description because then if you're immediately under it, you can see it's a cherry ginger ale made with a splash of real fruit juice. How much juice? 1%. All right, smell this piece. Getting notes of ginger ale, add fruit. Want to smell, Marjorie? Don't taste it. Just smelling it. Smells good? All right. Yep. You know, yep, there's cherry. Maybe even kind of a cranberry smell. All right, here we go. Oh, that's very yummy. Go ahead, James, you can try it. The fruit, the ginger ale, and fruit are very well intertwined. Go ahead, Marjorie, you can try it.
It's kind of a sweet and sour. I don't think she tried a first one. I don't think she did.
I thought she did.
I don't think she did.
Marjorie, what do you think? You good?
What does it taste like?
Let's try and break it down. Initial flavor is ginger ale, followed almost immediately by cherry, but it's not. Go ahead, James. Don't try it again. It's hard to place that it's actually cherry. Oh, okay, it is. It's almost like a fruit punch cherry.
On my foot.
Yeah, this is a good one. I like it.
Yeah,
Very refreshing.
I didn't think I would like this one.
It kind of makes the Canada Dry, the dryness less because of the fruit. Canada Dry Fruit Splash. Should you try it? Yes. It's very apt for warm summer days.